Welcome. This video is a short video and it's directed or designed to help you know how to create the profile page for the class Wiki site. So first of all, we want to go to the class Wiki site, and I have down here under course resources, class Google information. I'm going to open that in a new tab. I just like doing that so you don't get outside of your other tabs. And it's kind of slow today. And then we have the class Wiki site. So I'm going to open that. So we're at the class Wiki site. So we're talking about the profile page. So first of all, I have the roster page and the profiles underneath it. So I'm going to go to my profile page. And so basically what I want you to do is create sort of your version of this. So you're going to use my page as a template. And so if you look at the bottom right hand corner, you should see a pencil and a white circle, or an image that looks like a pencil. So right now what the site you're looking at is just a website. To get to edit that website, you're going to click on the pencil, and that brings it up as an edit version. Okay. Now you'll notice on the right side over here we have some menu options, insert, pages, themes. Okay, so I'm going to go to pages, and you'll notice here that under the roster site, and when you bring it up, it might bring it up like this, where it doesn't show the subpages to the roster site. If you click on this little arrow, first of all, the arrow indicates there are subpages. If you left click on that, then you'll see the pages underneath it. So I'm going to go to my page on here, and to the right of that, you should see these three dots. That basically means it's kind of a tool launcher. Okay, I'm going to left click on that. What you want to do, the easiest way to do this is to make a copy of this. Okay. So I'm going to say make a copy, and I'm going to rename it just as temp student. So obviously what you would do is you'd rename it as your name here. Click done. The nice thing about this, doing it this way, is you start off with a template and it automatically falls underneath the roster page as a subpage. So you'll notice we are on that page because it's highlighted in blue. So you just come up here and basically just start editing this page. So you just type in your information. In this section, this is where I want pictures that tell us something about you. So you'll want to basically delete these pictures and insert yours. I'd like to have at least one of these pictures have you in it. You'll notice I guess only one has me in it, but the others have my family members in it. So at least one picture have you in it. And then to add captions, once you bring those on, if you left click on the image, this is where you can crop an image if you need to, or you can uncrop, you can put a link behind it, or you can delete it. If you click on these dots, oh, okay. What it's throwing me is it wasn't saying add caption. And that's because these others already had a caption. Interesting. So if you click on the dots, you can add caption here. And it just puts that box below it. I guess if you already have a caption, you just click on the image and then just edit the caption. And then you're going to come down to each section, and I want you to leave the section heading. If you notice, as I click on that heading, it's a heading format. Click on these others, the text below it, those are normal text. So I want you to leave it like that. In this work section, so the first section is contact information, so basically let us know, myself and your classmates know how to best reach you. In this next section, it's your work schedule. Really what this is about is letting us know the best time that you're available and any restrictions on your availability, so we know when it's okay to reach you. Next section is tell us about you, whatever you feel comfortable sharing. And then at the bottom, I'd like you to just kind of put some random pictures. Obviously, here I've kind of gotten into barbecuing as a hobby, so I just put a bunch of random pictures of barbecuing on that. So that's really what I'm looking for on this. If you accidentally create a page and it's not under the roster page, you can left click on it and just drag it to wherever it's supposed to be in the order. And that's all you have to do. Feel free to contact me either through email or my cell phone number if you have questions. And I look forward to working with you on this.